So let's start with the process of drafting. So today we are drafting A-line kurti or A-line dress, right? It would be below knee level, that is a long kurti. So the measurement that we require are same as we have done in the previous video, but the length is little high, little long it is. So the full length is 45 inches, all round waist length. First we'll complete with the length 15 inches. Seat length is equal to 23 inches. All round bust 36 inches. All round waist is 26 inches. All round hips is 36 inches and cross back is 15 inches. These are the measurements that we are going to use. You can put your own measurements to get the desired results, and you can put that in the formula. So first we'll start with the front. For the front, as usual, we will take a line AB as AB is equal to 45 inches. Why so? That is full length of the dress or kurti. Right, from point, this is on fold. From point A, we'll square out a point C as AC is equal to 7.5 inches, that is half of the cross back. Cross back is 15, we'll half it, so this will be 7.5 inches. When we'll open it, it will be 15 inches, right? And now we'll mark 3 points D, E and F respectively on line AB as AD is equal to 7.5 inches, that is 1/4 of the all round bust minus 1.5 inches. This is the depth of armhole. Then AE is equal to 15 inches, that is waist length, that is the waist point. It will help you to give the shape of waist. AF is equal to 23 inches, that is seat length. Seat length is 23 inches as we written above. So we'll take this as a seat length. Now we'll square out the points. From D, we'll square out D dash. From E, we'll square out E dash. And from F, we'll square out F dash. Right? So we'll mark it now. D dash, E dash and F dash as D to D dash is equal to 9.5 inches, that is 1/4 of the bust, all round bust, plus half inch for the ease. In the same manner, E to E dash is equal to 7 inches, that is 1/4 of the all round waist plus ease, that is half inches. And F to F dash is equal to 9.5 inches, that means 1/4 of the hips, all round hips, plus half inch for the ease. Now we'll square out a point G from C on line DD dash, and we'll take point G dash inside 1 inch inside from the G, and in the same manner from the C we'll mark a point C dash downward, that is 1 inch. That means C to C dash is 1 inch and G to G dash is again 1 inch. This will help us to give the shape of armhole. But before that, we'll give the shape to the neckline. So A to A dash, we are marking a point A dash, where A to A dash is 2 3/4 inches, that is the width of the neck. How you can calculate? 1/12 of the all round bust minus 1/4 inches or half inches, it depends, but I'm taking here 1/4 inches. Depth I'm taking 6 inches. A to A double dash is equal to 6 inches, that means 1/6 of the all round bust. You can increase or decrease the depth and the width as per your taste or your comfort, right? Now we'll just square out lines from A dash and A double dash, right? Now we'll give the shape to the shoulder slope. We'll be joining C dash to A dash and C dash to G dash, and we'll mark a point H, as H is the midpoint of C dash G dash. It will help us to give the shape to the armhole. Now we'll give shape to the armhole with French curve. Either I do like to give it through hands only. I don't use French curve in general. So this is the shape of the armhole, and meanwhile we can give the shape to the neck also, this, right? So this is the shape of the neckline. Now we'll join D dash to E dash, E dash to F dash, and we'll extend it till the bottom line, base line, right, to give the shape. And now we'll give shape to the side with a smooth curve. You can see, because points or corners are not allowed in the garments in general. Now we'll mark a point B double dash just to give shape to the bottom. It is to be marked as E to B should be equal to E dash to B double dash, as we generally do at the hemline. We'll give shape to the hemline simply. This is the grain line, and we need one cut of this on fold, that is front. Now let's work with the back. Back is as simple as the front. Here we'll mark a line on fold OP, where OP is equal to AB, that is 45 inches. That means the full length, right? Now we'll mark a point Q, as OQ is equal to 7.5 inches, half of the cross back. OQ 7.5, that means half of the cross back, as we did in the front AC. This is as equal as AC. We'll mark points R, S, T, as OR is equal to 7.5 inches, OS is equal to 15 inches, equal to AE, and OT is equal to 23 inches, that is the seat length, the armhole depth, seat length, and the waist length, right? Now similarly we'll mark the point R dash, S dash, and T dash, again as we did in the front. D dash, E dash, and F dash, measurements are same. We'll mark a point O dash, as O to O dash is equal to 2 3/4 inches, width of the neck same. As we did in the front. Depth will be different. Here I am taking the depth of 3 inches, that means 1/12 of the all round bust. You can increase or decrease as per your comfort level or the demand of the design. Now we'll square out for the neckline. We'll extend the point O dash little bit upward, half inches, to make O triple dash. O dash to O triple dash is equal to half inch. We have extended it little bit, and we'll mark a point Q dash, as QQ dash is equal to again half inch upward, half inch downward to give the shoulder slope. So this we can give the shoulder slope of 1 inch, right? Half inch upward and half inch downward. Now we'll drop a line or point to mark the point U, and outward will take a point of U dash as UU dash is equal to 1 inches. This is for the back armhole shape. And now we can give the shape to the back armhole simply with a curve. For the guidelines you can take a midpoint even if you require, so that would be point V. And now we'll join the side seam and extend it to the bottom line as we did in the front. Now we'll be marking the point P dash and P double dash. P dash where it cuts to the bottom, and P double dash is equal to SP, and S dash P double dash should be equal, and then we'll join it with the curve and we'll give the side seam curve also. With the smooth hands you just give a curve, because as I said corners are always harmful in the fitting of the garment. This is the grain line and we need one cut of this, and this is on fold and shape to the neckline as per your desire. So this is all for the today's video, friends. In the next video we'll be meeting with a new topic. Till then, bye bye and see you again.